You need something where you can clean up in like 15 minutes right before guests arrive. And today, I'm your full service gal, and I'm going to tell you how to do it. First of all, the clutter basket. Grab your basket, go around the house, pick everything up that doesn't belong, and toss it in that basket. The coffee cups, the plates, the clothes that are in the family room, anything that doesn't go there, throw it in the basket, stick the basket in a closet where nobody's gonna look. Now, 2 cleaners that you can make in seconds. They make the house smell good, but not like cleaning chemicals. Fresh for the holidays, and they're easy and they work. You're gonna take a cup and a half of water. To that, you're going to add 1/2 cup of vodka. It's the alcohol in the vodka that works so good because it's so pure. And you'll take a 1/2 cup of white vinegar. Then you're going to use lavender and lemon essential oil. Use about 10 to 15 drops of each. Put it into your spray bottle, shake it up, spray and wipe on any hard surface. Any hard surface. It does a great job. Now for mirrors and things like that, we're going to make a peppermint cleaner. What smells better than that for the holidays? 2 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Again, put it in your spray bottle. Spray mirrors, spray glass, in a pinch, spray anything. And it really works great and it doesn't harm anything. Buff it with a microfiber cloth. Another thing to keep on hand, microfiber cloths. You can wipe up anything with a wet microfiber cloth. Wet it, wring it, wipe the counter, wipe the refrigerator handle, wipe where you had a spill, wipe anything last minute before the guests arrive. Dry it with a dry microfiber cloth and it will shine. And last but not least, a microfiber mop is great for the holidays. Use the dust mop to dust over the floor to pick up crumbs and junk that you got when you were cooking, pet hair, things like that. And the mop head with water to wash it. And here is the mop that holds it. Now you just throw it down on the ground, stick it on, wet that head, wash, and when you're done, you can throw it in the washing machine and you're done with it. So everything you need to know to get that house clean for all those holiday parties. Check me out at Real Queen of Clean on Facebook and Instagram, my YouTube channel with hundreds of free videos, queenofclean.com, everything you need to know, and the Queen at your fingertips 24/7. Thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.